Hello, my name is Gustavo Gonzalez. I'm the CTO at IT Convergence, and today I want to talk about what exactly does Oracle mean by Fusion. Oracle Fusion Applications is the name of a new business software application which became generally available in October 2011. It does not sound like a new product, and that is because the market started talking about Fusion applications many years ago. Oracle also adopted the name Fusion for the middleware architecture that is being adopted by every Oracle application by simplifying all the middleware server layers for better maintenance and functionality. Oracle's decision to build a new product from scratch was unclear, and the word Fusion was bringing confusion to the organizations that were using Oracle products. Oracle decided to start from zero. One reason is that Oracle needed to define a development roadmap for all the ERP system it owns. While this might not have been the most important reason, it was far from the only reason. Another is that today many organizations are embracing service-oriented applications, and they want industry-standard applications platform and ERP systems needed to adapt to it. Businesses are evolving into new, more social network environments. The companies see their employees connected through chat, social networking sites, online communities, and all sorts of capabilities that are used for their personal lives, which needs to be part of the workspace as well. All these changes have impacted the nature of how to make rapid decisions by switching from routine tasks to managing exceptions and requesting more automated activities. This shift in the way people work needed to be reflected in an ERP solution. Another big transformation that influences Oracle's decision was the adoption of cloud computing for businesses. Now companies want to be able to deploy new technology in a fast and selective approach, on-premise or in the cloud. The new software solutions must meet these needs and needs to be flexible in a modular way to deploy what you need where you want it to be. Given these market trends, Oracle moved forward with this new product with the principle of modern platform, best practice, business processes, new user experience ready for the cloud, and with the collaboration of many clients and partners. What is the meaning of a new standard for business? Oracle Fusion applications were built with three game-changing goals in mind: new standard for innovation, new standard for work, and new standard for adoption. Building a product on open standard would allow organizations to lower cost by having a common available skills in the marketplace, lower the risk of integration with other applications, which in turn make it easier to configure, maintain, and protect all your configurations during upgrades. Companies have to adapt to the challenges of the market, and the configurations of the current systems are hard to change it in a fast environment based on rapid decisions. That is why Oracle envisions with Fusion applications, business softwares that can be manipulated with simple changes in a configuration can be applied to all other objects, reflecting the new business model in a timely manner. All these changes are based on the new platform that has a role-based user experience, intelligent business processes, services, and a unified information repository. Every component is based on open standards such as Java, BPEL, XML, HTML, Ajax, RSS, mobile, and others. Every business software adopted different ways of structuring the security around the application, and Oracle Fusion Applications has a new standard for work founded on a role-based user experience. It is very common for every working organization in a global way to wear multiple hats, and for these employees to work effectively, the functionality that not only addresses their various roles, but also functionality that brings together the right information needed to make decisions. This functionality of role-based user experience connects your resources with the right people to get the job done. Oracle Fusion Applications user experience is based on 4 questions: what I need to know, what I need to do, who can I help, and finally, how can I get it done? These 4 questions speak to how today's organizations are trying to resolve problems by relying on having information stored in multiple locations with changes that are not reflected online, thus driving decisions made based on inaccurate data. Another key concept in the user experience after having learned from past experience, specifically on the e-business suite, is that developing extensions or changing the user interface was time-consuming, and it was always something that needed to be reviewed on patch applications and upgrades. This new concept of Oracle Fusion applications can be extended presents a huge advantage. The idea of composers built on top of Fusion middleware and how these composers are supported by Fusion's middleware metadata services, MDS, is a vast advantage for the IT team because it provides the ability to store change metadata separately from the original metadata. So when patches or upgrades are applied, they affect the original metadata. After a patch upgrade, the change metadata is reapplied, preserving the changes. The third goal of the Fusion application strategy is a new standard for adoption that gives e-business suite users a complete choice of options from suite to modules and the platform technology from cloud to device. Cloud computing is a style of computing in which dynamically scalable and often virtualized resources are provided as a service over the internet. Users do not need to have knowledge or expertise in or control over the technology infrastructure in the clouds that supports them. A private cloud runs within the firewall and is for the exclusive use of that enterprise. Certain applications may run on-premise, while other applications may run in public clouds. Even Oracle, which has one of the largest private clouds, also runs some applications in public clouds. It is interesting that public clouds are paid for as operational expenses, while private clouds are both capital and operational expenses. Enterprises needed to examine trade-off of determining what mix of private and public cloud computing is right for them. The new paradigm of hardware plus software incorporates and integrates the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service concepts. It also draws on other recent technology trends which are based on the internet to satisfy the computing needs of the users. Oracle Fusion applications give the choice of deployment from public to private clouds. You can also take the most common option of on-premise, and the fourth choice is the hybrid approach, where you can take the flexibility of taking multiple platforms, decreasing the total cost of ownership. The other new concept is the modularity. Oracle Fusion brings 6 families: Oracle Fusion Financial Management, Human Capital Management, Sales, Supply Chain Management, Procurement, Project Portfolio Management, and Governance Risk and Controls. Within of these families, there are many new modules, as you can see here. What should Oracle 11i or actual clients' recommended path be? It is important to say that Oracle Fusion applications is not a replacement of your current Oracle ERP system. It is not a replacement of Oracle Business Suite or PeopleSoft, JDR, or Siebel. It is a new set of applications which are based on the concept of these different systems built on a new architecture leveraging the Oracle Fusion middleware. The suggested strategy is to continue on your current path, which means following the path of e-business suite roadmap, which today goes up to release 12.1.3, and it's announced release 12.2 with some new integration points with Oracle Fusion for late 2012. Oracle's communication strategy of waiving the extended support fees of e-business suite clients running on 11.5.10 added more misperceptions among organizations in terms of support. As explained in the communication, Oracle just waives the first year extended support fees and does not extend the support, which means the clock still ticking on extended support and the impact that hole will leave. As shown in the illustration, it is very important to use this time wisely in order to avoid future problems. The first decision on planning must be around the path of e-business suite upgrade to the latest release, and once that has been confirmed, that is when the Oracle Fusion application definition would come into the analysis. One of the biggest advantages for e-business suite customers is how the Fusion application platform allows organizations to adopt a coexistence strategy with your current system and even with some modules such as talent management, accounting hub, procure to pay, and others. This new concept of coexistence is based on 3 pillars: financials and supply chain management, human capital management, and CRM sales. Oracle provides, as part of the Fusion application suite, a number of pre-packaged integrations in the format of real requirements, standardized web services and canonical definition, master data synchronization with batch, ETL, and ODI. And it is very important to understand that there isn't a single integration solution approach or technology that fits all integration requirements. However, you can educate yourself on the options that are available and how to apply the criteria to the integration challenges to help you select the right approach and tools to solve your specific requirements. How to then migrate your licenses from current ERP to Oracle Fusion applications? Organizations that have made a significant investment in Oracle products such as Oracle e-business suite will not have to make another investment for Fusion applications. As a result of this, Oracle has introduced what is called like-for-like. Like-for-like pricing means that if a customer makes or has made an investment in previous Oracle product, Oracle is not going to charge them again for a like product. For example, moving from e-business suite Human Resources to Oracle Fusion Global Human Resources would not require extra licenses. In this case, the customer will terminate their licenses for e-business suite Human Resources and they license Oracle Fusion Global Human Resources for the same number of users. An important point to consider when planning an Oracle Fusion applications implementation is that it requires new technology which was not part of the original ERP software purchase. This means that you will have to acquire the technology or a new license will be required for the new modules. For example, adapting Fusion Workforce predictions to your HCM solution will require a new license. The components of the technology layer that you will be able to acquire as part of the Oracle Fusion applications implementations are Oracle WebLogic Server, Oracle Identity Manager and Access Manager, Oracle Golden Gate, and Oracle Service-Oriented Architecture Suite. As mentioned briefly in the introduction, the development framework adopted for Oracle Fusion applications is the Application Development Framework, providing increased productivity and ease of use, promoted service-oriented development, standards-based solution, and end-to-end coverage. The recommended action is to upgrade, adopt, and extend. Upgrade your business suite to the latest unlimited release. Take it into consideration that release 12.1 is the latest release until release 12.2 becomes available, and it will be the base for coexistence with your Oracle Fusion applications. Adopt the standards-based technology with Oracle ADF for customizations or extensions. Also choose standards with service-oriented architecture for your integrations with legacy systems or extensions. Oracle Business Intelligence for reporting and dashboards. The components of Oracle Business Intelligence applications, which brings a pre-built solution for Oracle Business Suite, and most of it business processes, is also a key point. Finally, Oracle's proposal is to extend the value of business with Fusion applications by implementing modules so you can embrace the complete Fusion application solution. Every organization running e-business suite should take a close look into Fusion applications, but without leaving your ERP solution unattended with patches and upgrades. Oracle is putting a lot of emphasis on Fusion, but it does not necessarily mean that we will have to move into it right away. Oracle is committed to continue investing and providing unlimited support to the existing applications, but it is also willing to have its customer adopting the new technology and extend the software solution with Fusion applications to adapt to the new paradigm of users and businesses. For more information on Oracle Fusion applications, contact us today or visit our website at itconvergence.com. Thank you.